In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a loop in Ableton Live. Now, this is actually super simple. All you want to do is you want to select the arrangement view top right like this. And then from here, you want to just go to the top here where you can see this button, which is the loop button. So when you click on it, it's going to give you this loop option over here, or you could just right click anywhere on your board over here. And when you right click, you can just click on activate loop or press Ctrl and L on your keyboard, and that's going to work as well. Now we can see up top over here, you have the option to actually change this. So if you go towards like the borders over here, you could go and extend it by clicking and dragging, and of course make your loop that way. So if I want to loop this first part, for example, it's going to just play this.
This is just some sample audio we're going to use for this tutorial. This is just some...
As you can hear, of course, it's now looping, and if I were to change this, and if I had like a sample audio or maybe some voice recording or music or whatever in here, it would loop basically infinitely that specific part, okay? So that's basically how to do it, but then if you're actually trying to like make a loop of a specific audio clip, you could also just go and basically copy it, okay? So we can just go and click Control-C and then go Control-V, Control-V, and you can just keep on pasting them and basically putting them in here that way, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.